Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Ready to take today's quiz? Guess the animal eyes. You will get 5 seconds to identify the animal eyes. Choose the correct answer from the given options. Before starting the video, please subscribe our channel for interesting quiz and general knowledge videos. Let's start guessing. Guess the animal eyes. Owl. Can you identify the animal by their eyes? Lion. Can you identify the animal by their eyes? Fly. Can you identify the animal by their eyes? Crocodile. Can you identify the animal by their eyes? Shark. Can you identify the animal by their eyes? Dog. Can you identify the animal by their eyes? Chameleon. Can you identify the animal by their eyes? Eagle. Can you identify the animal by their eyes? Elephant. Can you identify the animal by their eyes? Hippo. Can you identify the animal by their eyes? Goat. Can you identify the animal by their eyes? Crab. Can you identify the animal by their eyes? Gorilla. Can you identify the animal by their eyes? Spider. Can you identify the animal by their eyes? Cuttlefish.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.